Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all like videos on YouTube mobile. Okay, as usual, let's get started without wasting so much time. And let me just remind you, this works on all Android and iPhone devices. Okay, let's get started. Once you have accessed the YouTube app, click on your profile picture at the bottom. Okay, then click on the gear icon or the setting icon at the very top to the right. Okay, then scroll down, then look for manage all history, this one with the clock symbol. Just tap on it. Okay, then after doing that, navigate to the tab with interactions. There are three tabs at the top, but now choose interactions. Okay, after doing that, tap on video likes and dislikes, the very first one. Then you will see all the videos that you've liked. Now you can choose to delete them individually, or if you want to delete all the liked videos on a single date, for instance on July 31st, you can just tap the delete icon to delete all the likes. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you.